Hey guys, it's Lil Willie here. Come on down, it's fun in here. We do weird shit, it'll make you cry. It's so funny, my fucking guy. We praise the Lord, give bread to the bitches. There's lots of us and we get all the riches. So sit and stay, be hell of a day. This is Lil Willie. Gotta go to sleep. I'll keep you guys warm. Bruh. Where'd all the snow go? How did it all melt overnight? Oh shit. God damn it, my hat's almost destroyed. What else happened in that storm? Wait, where did all the snow go? You're right, it's almost all gone. Little Willie, are you awake? Yo, I'm right here. Look what this damn storm did to my hat. It's almost destroyed. I don't know where to buy any of these hats. I got this hat like 10 years ago. But come on, we gotta keep going. We gotta keep searching for some more shelter. Oh my fucking god, that keeps happening. Oh my. I don't know, but I think you should get rid of it. You've had that old thing ever since we met. She's right. You've had that hat for a while now. It's pretty much in shambles now. Just get rid of it, Lil Willie. I can't just get rid of my hat. Just look at it. It's iconic to my Little Willie character. It's so beautiful. It's a beautiful silver. And the iconicness of it. Whenever they see this hat, they think, Little Willie. Oh, just get rid of that thing. But without my hat, I'm a nobody. I'm a fraud. Without that hat, I'm not even Little Willie anymore. Oh, Little Willie? What do you want, Little Winnie the Pooh? Look! Your hat! That motherfucker's stealing my hat! Get back here, you little rascal! Holy shit! What the fuck were those things? I don't know. But I think we should trap them in like a box or something. I don't know. Golly, that's a great idea, Dancing Baby. But where? They could kill us. We're literally in the middle of nowhere. What could we possibly do to capture them? I know just the spot. Dancing Baby, how far away is this place? We've been walking for like 10 minutes. I've never even seen half this place before. Don't worry, we're almost there. Okay, don't worry, we're here now. Basically, come with me. See this bucket? See the snow? My plan. We're gonna lure them in, and we're gonna put them right there. Then you're gonna sneak behind the trees, take the box, and put it on top of them, okay? It's a flawless plan, okay? Trust me, Lil Willie. Winnie, You're gonna go lay in the snow. Okay, alright. Little Willie, you go get the bucket. And I'll do some, I don't know. I'll do some howls or something to lure them in. Golly B, come here and get my sexy body, man. Men, there's two of you. Just come here and get my sexy body. Okay, Lil Willie, it's your chance now. Go! Oh my god, you did it! I don't think they're gonna be coming out anytime soon. Let's get your hat. Let's get Winnie. Let's go. Golly B, we better find shelter somewhere. It's getting dark out. I can't take it anymore. I'm a bear. I have fur. But not enough.